Welcome, fellow travelers, to a land of rich history, stunning landscapes, and diverse culture, the United Kingdom. In today's video, we're exploring the top 5 best places to visit in this enchanting country. From the bustling streets of London to the rugged beauty of Scotland, the UK offers a kaleidoscope of experiences. So, let's embark on our adventure. Number 1. London, the capital marvel. Our journey begins in the heart of the UK, London. This bustling metropolis is a treasure trove of history, culture, and modernity. Explore iconic landmarks like Big Ben, the Houses of Parliament, and Buckingham Palace. Catch a show in the West End Theatre District, a global hub for theatre and entertainment. Number 2. Edinburgh, Scotland's crown jewel. Next, we head north to Edinburgh, the capital of Scotland, where history meets enchantment. Visit Edinburgh Castle, perched on an ancient volcanic rock, and stroll along the Royal Mile. Hike up Arthur's Seat for panoramic views of the city and surrounding landscapes. Number 3. The Cotswolds, quintessential English countryside. Now, let's escape to the Cotswolds, a region that defines the quintessential English countryside. Explore Bibury, often called the most beautiful village in England, with its charming stone cottages. Hike along the Cotswold Way to immerse yourself in stunning landscapes and rolling hills. Number 4. Giant's Causeway, nature's wonder. Our next destination takes us to Northern Ireland and the awe-inspiring Giant's Causeway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Marvel at the otherworldly hexagonal basalt columns formed by volcanic activity. If you're feeling adventurous, cross the Carrick Reedy Rope Bridge for a thrilling experience. Number 5. Oxford, scholarly elegance. Our final stop is Oxford, where scholarly elegance meets historic charm. Visit the Bodleian Library, one of the oldest libraries in Europe, and explore the prestigious University of Oxford. Relax with a traditional punt on the serene River Cherwell. And there you have it, our top 5 best places to visit in the United Kingdom. Whether you're drawn to the marvels of London, the enchantment of Edinburgh, the tranquility of the Cotswolds, the wonder of Giant's Causeway, or the elegance of Oxford, the UK offers a tapestry of experiences for every traveler. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures. Share your favorite UK destination in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next journey.